Hi guys, this is Tisha again, and in today's video we'll be trying out plopping. This time, instead of using a t-shirt, we'll be using fishnet stocking. I'm all for any hair technique that retains moisture, especially for summertime. I spent hours blow drying my hair, curling my hair, but by the time I step out, my hair becomes a frizz ball because it's so freaking dry and damaged. And I'm really hoping this works out. But before we get started, if you love watching fashion, beauty, haul, and these kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get to it. As soon as I got off the shower, I put my hair up in the shower cap. I did not use a towel or a t-shirt to dry my hair because I knew it's gonna take me some time to set up the lights, camera, and do my makeup. And now let's get started with the technique. So now I'm gonna use an old t-shirt to dry my hair before I add any products to it. I'm gonna shimmy the top a little bit because I'm so scared that my hair will be completely flat. First product I'll be using is leave-in conditioner. Last time when I used it on my scalp too. This time I'm just going to do this section, not the scalp. Basically everything else besides the scalp. I really don't know if I'm doing it correctly, but I do know when I scrunch my hair, it adds curls, so I'm gonna keep on scrunching. Scrunch, 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 scrunch. Next up, I'll be using a curl shaping jelly. Same thing as earlier, I'm gonna put this on all over the place beside my scalp area. So now I'm going to use this much of hair and twist it. Nothing specific in terms of sectioning, but I don't want to like take smaller pieces of this because I'm gonna be here forever otherwise. I am just doing this hoping that it will help my curl to fine more. Okay, now I'm gonna use this styling gel. Not a lot, a little, because I do not want crusty curls. I want curls with life and movement to it. So I'm just gonna take a little and twist it. And now comes the fun part of net plopping. This transition looks so freaking easy, but putting this thing on was a whole damn process. I got this net stocking set from Amazon and it comes with different type of holes. All my twisties went away. T-shirt one was easier. What is this? Oh my god. I'm just gonna tie this up like this and then shove this thing in. I think I should have used the medium hole. Okay, I'm gonna switch it. Same thing with the medium one too. The elastic thing is so freaking loose. I don't remember what size I got. It's alright. Tie this up with the back. So now with these two leg part, I'm crossing it over here, pulling it all the way to the back, and then tying it up. There's too much hair here on the front. Okay, better. So I'm going to plop it for like an hour and 30 minutes till 8:45ish. In the meantime, I'm going to have dinner, do some laundry, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So it's 9:41. I ended up plopping for roughly 2 hours and 30 minutes, I think. When did I plopped? I think 7:15. Yeah, I think 7:15. I got so lazy after dinner, and plus our heat is not working right now and it's still freaking cold. When I touch my hair inside the section where it's not exposed, it's still wet, but definitely in terms of comfort wise, this is way more comfortable than t-shirt plopping. And now I'm going to diffuse my hair on a lower setting. So I diffused my hair for like 10 minutes and my hair is still wet, but before I diffuse further, I'm going to use the hairspray to lock the curls. I'm using the L'Oreal hairspray.
One eternity later.
I'm using the hairspray from L'Oreal, and this one I really like it because it does not give a crunchy finish. For some reason I have something against crunchy hair textures. I was thinking to diffuse it for only a couple of minutes after the hairspray, but my hair was still wet, so I diffused it for like 15 minutes. I know this looks like a mess, but the curls are much more defined than when I did the plopping with the t-shirt. This section is less frizzy. When I touch my hair, I do feel like I ended up putting too much product. It's still a little bit damp here, so I'm going to diffuse it further. There is shape, but it's very flat on the top here. Like there is no volume. Even though the curls are a mess, I do prefer this compared to the t-shirt version. I feel like if I make minor modifications, this could actually work. I'm using the texturizing hairspray from Way. I think it's called Way. I'm hoping this will add some volume here. I'm out of my Bumble & Bumble Invisible Oil, which is my favorite. So I'm trying on this leave-in lotion. Never tried this before. I have like a stash of samples that I get from Sephora. I can use this on dry hair as a daily moisturizer, and my hair at the bottoms, it does feel a little dry now. This process took forever, but I do really like the curls. If I play around with it and figure out what product works the best instead of just piling on product, I do think this technique would give beautiful curls. I do think there's potential because the curls are defined. It is all over the place, but there is shape. This is a non-bleach part of my hair and it is defined, and even the bleach part, it is not that frizzy. It is very time consuming, but I could multitask at the same time. I can do the dishes, clean my room, do laundry, or even do it as like a self-care routine with my face mask on or read a book. I don't think so I can work like my corporate work at the same time. Since my hair is wet while plopping, I did get a little bit of headache, and also having that weight on top of your head, it was just a bit weird. Personally, I do recommend it. There is nothing to lose, and if you do end up trying it out, do let me know in the comments below your experience. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful and somewhat entertaining. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and support the channel. It truly means a lot. If you have an Instagram, my Instagram is @stylewithtisha, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!